gonna be trying some mask candy. I already tried it. Okay, I'm gonna put the. So this is basically it. It also comes in the box. I'm gonna show you. Put it right here. My dad's making some ravioli for me beef. Okay. Here's the box. It comes with the children's stickers. And then here's the box. Here's the back of it, which shows a picture of a cat.
Hey, don't put that right there because it's gonna end up falling.
So I'm gonna put it here. But sorry about that. So this is the candy called Botan candy with the children's sticker, which I'm gonna eat here. So it comes just like this. What you're supposed to do, peel that really extra off, and you're supposed to eat the. You're supposed to eat the. You can really eat it with the candy. Okay, so cool. It's kind of slimy for a while.
Don't eat these, let them cool down.
Here's the ravioli that just made. So the wrapper, I'm not kidding you, eat the slimy kind of. So the Botan rice candy is back with a kitten. And my mom loves these. Once you chew it, it's like, but you put the suck on it anyway. But really hard. That's good. So this is it for the video. Oh my gosh, it took a while to upload, but okay. Bye.